Hello, my reading friends. We are going to be reading about Sabrina Sue again. She loves the sky. Let's see where her adventure is going to take her. I am Miss D. Thank you for being with me on Read to Me, Miss D. Sabrina Sue lived on a farm. She loved being outside and looking up at the sky. She saw lots of birds flying around. They look so happy and free. I've always thought that too. It'd be fun to be able to fly if I had a superpower. I am a bird, Sabrina Sue thought. I want to fly too. She dreamed about it. She talked about it. Is it breezy? Is it bumpy? Will I love being up so high? Will the sky love me? Her farm friend spoke to her. You cannot fly so high. Give up this silly idea. It is too scary. You are not brave enough. Do not try it, Sabrina Sue. Sabrina Sue liked being silly sometimes, and brave too. Should she stay safe on the ground? I really do love the sky, she thought and thought. I do want to fly higher. I am going up in the sky. She made a plan to go and packed her bag. Oh, she was very excited. She hurried onto Farmer Martha's truck. I can't wait to be in the sky. What are they sitting on? It looks like pumpkins. They traveled for a long time. She bounced up and down. She flapped and she flopped. Sabrina Sue was ready to fly up high. She walked under many trees. She stomped through tall grass. Will I ever get to fly? Then she looked up and saw the sky. Time to put on her sky gear. Hello, blue sky. Here we go. Whoa. Hello, fresh and breezy air. You are so sweet and so fun. Sabrina Sue loved the sky. She looked for her farm friends. Hello, farm friends. I was up very high. Sabrina Sue was happy to be back on the farm, but one day she would visit the sky again. Oh, that would be fun. One way you can be in the sky is if you are on an airplane or a helicopter. So, my friends, thank you for taking this journey with me today up in the sky. Thank you so much. Have a great day.